Hello everyone, this is Siham from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important pairs and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on Friday, 29th of October 2021. Let's begin with the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, where in the previous videos, as we have said, it is moving in an uptrend in the daily time frame, and recently we can see that it has rebounded down off of around level 114.45, which resembles a horizontal resistance level for the pair in the daily time frame, and therefore by doing so, if we notice the 4-hour time frame, we can see that it continued to break down through the lower boundary of the upwards channel that it has previously been moving in, where it currently started to rebound upwards off of around level 113.40, which resembles a horizontal support level for the pair in the 4-hour time frame, in order to retest around level 114 near the upper boundary of the descending triangle, before continuing with the current downwards correctional movement, which might extend to retest around level 112.70 before continuing with the overall uptrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding upwards off of around level 40, it supports the rebounding upwards off of around the current levels in order to, as we said, retest around level 114 before continuing with the current downwards correctional movement inside the overall uptrend. However, by breaking upwards to level 114, it will support the ending of the current downward scenario and will support the continuity of the overall uptrend. That was it for the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Let's move on to the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. In the previous videos, we said that the pair is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame inside the upwards correctional movement in the daily time frame, and recently we can see that after breaking down through the lower boundary of the rising wedge in the daily time frame, it is currently being traded around level 0.91, which resembles an important horizontal support level for the pair in the daily time frame, and therefore, by rebounding upwards off of it, it will support the formation of a low around it, which will confirm the downwards channel in the 4-hour time frame and will support the continuity of the current upwards correctional movement in the 4-hour time frame, which will continue to retest around level 0.9150, and if extended will continue to retest around level 0.9190 near the upper boundary of the downwards channel in the 4-hour time frame before continuing with the downtrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that it is currently moving below level 30 inside the oversold area, which supports the probability of rebounding upwards off of around the current levels in order to correct before continuing with the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Let's move on to the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. In the daily time frame, we can see that the pair has started an uptrend upon the breaking upwards to the upper boundary of the falling wedge, and also upon the breaking upwards to level 0.7170, which used to resemble a horizontal resistance level for the pair in the daily time frame, and currently, in the daily time frame as well as the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the pair is being traded around level 0.7170, which now resembles a horizontal support level for the pair in both time frames, and by breaking upwards to level 0.7220, which resembles a horizontal resistance level for the pair in the 4-hour time frame, it will support the continuity of the overall uptrend as well as the targeting of around level 0.7315, then around level 0.7365 as primary targets in the current uptrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the daily time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that it still supports the continuity of the uptrend by rebounding upwards off of around level 50. That was it for the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Market Equity wishes you successful trading. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.